Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Hope you are well. We're doing one of my favourite things on the nursery today. We're sowing seeds, and there is something very special about sowing seeds, just to see a nice big plant grow from something so small. And courgettes are a great example of that. They can be really, really big plants if you get them going. So what we're going to do is sow into this quite big cell tray here, but you could put it in pots. There's no issue with sowing them into pots. Going for quite a large one because they germinate really quickly, and they are reasonable sized plants, but the time of year we are, it's still way too cold to put them outside, so you want to give them a bit of growing space. So I'm just putting some multi-purpose compost in here, just like that. Smooth it over and I'll tap it down as well, get rid of any air gaps that might have formed. Not many there, which is good. Okay, so you've got a nice level sowing platform there. Okay, so I've got 3 varieties. So I'm going to sow them like this. One variety there, one variety there, one variety there. And I put one seed in each. Generally speaking, you get really good germination from a good quality courgette seed. So you should be fine for 1 seed in each. So I'm just looking for 2 seeds out of here. There's more in that seed packet, so you could sow more of those later. So I'm just going to place the seed on top, just like that. And then I'm going to do the other cells as well. So with a courgette, what we do is we push the seed down and then just tuck it in, just like that. Go a little bit deeper than that, so just push the seed in to around about that, and I suppose it's gone to my first knuckle, if that's the right word, and then tuck it in. They're quite a big seed, so they're nice and easy to sow, and whole grain courgettes, you'd be amazed how productive they are. It's not uncommon for people to grow them at home, and if you've got friends who've grown courgettes, you'll probably find they're bringing loads and loads of courgettes to you to make various things, because you often end up with a glut. They are such productive plants. So again, laid on the surface, and I push it down to around about the first knuckle and just tuck it in and repeat just like that. And then all that's left to do is the last cells. Okay, just like that. Now these will germinate really, really quickly. We are very lucky here. Obviously, we've got very good conditions, but you'd be surprised. These may start coming through in a matter of a week or so. So we push down like that and then tuck it in just like that. Okay, and that is the sowing done. I'm going to actually place this in our propagation house, the prop, put there so it's going to be nice and warm. So these will germinate quite quickly. We'll obviously follow up with videos on how they're growing, how to care for them, but that's how you sow. Any questions still? Get in contact. See you soon.